Welcome to How To Monday here at BMW West Springfield. Today we are going to discuss the new feature on the 21 M3 and M4, which is the adjustment to the traction control system. Previously, holding this button down, you would be able to disengage traction control fully. Pressing it once would disengage it partially, and leaving it on would obviously leave traction in full effect. Depending on what you're trying to do with the car, whether you're trying to track the car or drift the car, the traction control system can be configured, so adjustments can be made so that you can control exactly how much intervention from the vehicle there is. This car is equipped with integrated torque control, which allows us to have a much quicker response at catching the wheels when the wheels are slipping. So to adjust the traction control system, we hold down the traction control button so that we are partially disabling the traction control system. Then by pressing the setup button, we can actually click on the M traction control and make an adjustment depending on how much, again, intervention we are looking for. From 0 to 6 is what BMW refer to as drift control, whereas application of the throttle will induce oversteer. And from 6 to 10 are different levels of traction, whereas you are less likely to encounter the oversteer. What you're really looking to achieve here on the track is not to slip. As you are slipping sideways, you are losing speed. So typically, numbers ranging from 6, 7, 8, or 9 are probably going to be preferential for track. And if you're looking to slide around and have a bit more fun, anywhere from 0 to 6 would allow you that adjustment. This has been another session from BMW of West Springfield, How To Monday. Take care.